Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn few more list functions that are very useful in AutoLISP programming. They are as follows: ASOC, subst, last, and reverse. Let's start with the ASOC function. This function searches an association list for an element and returns that association list entry. So this is the syntax. ASOC is our list and the element. For example, we have here a list of lists stored in an LST variable. So this is our first list, name John, age 25, height 6.0. If we issue the ASOC age LST, which is our list, it gives us the association list of the age, which is age 25. So let's say we put here ASOC name LST, it should give us the name in John. However, if you specify an element that doesn't exist in the list, it should return nil. The next function is subst or substitute. This function searches a list for an old item and returns a copy of the list with a new item substituted in place of every occurrence of the old item. So this is the syntax: subst, new item, then the old item to be substituted, and our list. For example, we have a list of AB, list of CD and E, and it's stored in a variable LST. If we issue a subst function with the new item, which is BB, and the old item is B, in our list variable, it should return us the new list with the substituted value. So basically, in this case, we are substituting the B with the BB. So now we have A, BB, CD, and E. Another example is we are substituting the value of CD in the list with an X. So it should give us AB, which is AB, and substitute the value of CD with an X. So ABXE. Okay. The next function is last. This function returns the last element in a list. The syntax is very straightforward. Last LST. So in this case, we have a list of ABC, and it just returned the last element in the list, which is the C. Same is true if we have a list of lists. So in this case, we have ABC and we have a list of DEF, and this is the last element in the list, so it returns DEF. Another function is the reverse function. This function returns a copy of a list with its elements reversed. So it's just basically reversing the order of the list. If we have a list of ABC, for example, and we issue the reverse command, it just reverses it from ABC to CBA. So those are all the list functions. We will explore and see all of these list functions in action in the next videos. I'll see you there.